Rubber tracks are the foundation of your mini hydraulic excavator. Let's look at wear indicators and how to know when it's time for replacement. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Several factors impact track wear on many hydraulic excavators. First is application, and the more torque and horsepower used, the greater the wear. For example, excavating is more rigorous than trenching. Another factor is underfoot conditions or the material you're working in. You're more likely to see premature wear in abrasive conditions. And finally, operating technique is one of the most influential factors. Aggressive operation, like quick turns, high speeds, and operating on slopes, accelerates wear. And applications requiring more travel from site to site can increase the rate of wear on rubber tracks. Maintenance practices can also impact wear. A properly adjusted track helps maximize life and, of course, productivity. So make sure your track is not too loose or too tight. And keep your undercarriage components free of debris to help extend wear life. One quick measurement shows whether your track needs to be replaced. Lay a straight edge across two of the tread blocks. Measure the distance from the top of the tread block to the top surface of the track. Ask your CAD dealer about whether your measurement is in range. Or they can tell you about accessing SYS 2.0, or you can find a wide range of service instructions for your equipment. For more information and support, contact your CAD dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.